How to customize Fortnite Keybinds for PC. Everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize or change Fortnite Keybinds. Firstly, launch your Fortnite app. On your Fortnite, go to the menu icon which looks like a 3 lines icon. After that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now navigating from the top panel, go to keyboard controls. This tab will display all action and their current keybinds. Now here you will see different kind of actions. There are two sections, combat and movement. Go to the keybind that you want to change. You can tap on the cross icon here. Once it is cleared, then type in your new keybind. Now do this manually for all the keys that you want to change. Once you have changed everything, then use creative mode or a private match to test your setup. Also adjust keybinds as needed for comfort and efficiency. Fortnite automatically saves your new keybinds, but ensure you are satisfied before exiting. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.